Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. English Fast, your easy and fun way to learn English step by step. In today's lesson, we're going to learn English at the airport, from check-in to boarding your flight. You'll hear real conversations between an agent and a passenger, learn useful words, and practice how to speak politely and clearly in English. So, get ready to listen, repeat, and learn. Let's start your journey with Part 1, Greeting. Let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Welcome to the airport. Are you checking in for a flight today?
Yes, I have a flight to London.
Great. May I have your name, please?
My name is Ahmed Ali.
Thank you, Mr. Ali. Please give me your passport and your ticket.
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Let me check your flight details. You are flying with British Airways, flight number BA203.
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. Your flight is on time. Departure is at 10 o'clock.
That's good news.
How many bags are you checking in today?
Just one bag.
All right. Please put your bag on the scale.
Sure, here it is.
Perfect, thank you. Your bag is under the weight limit.
That's great.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your seat number is 14A.
Seat 14A, thank you.
You will board at Gate 12.
Gate 12, okay.
Boarding will start at 9:30.
Perfect, I'll be there on time.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much.
Vocabulary. Good morning, polite greeting in the morning. Check in, give passport and bags to airline. Flight, your airplane trip. Ticket, paper or e-ticket for travel. Departure, the time when the flight leaves. Boarding pass, paper or digital card to enter the plane. Gate, area where passengers wait to board. Part 2, ticket and passport.
Good morning.
Good morning?
May I see your ticket and passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Let me check. Okay, your flight is at 10 a.m. with British Airways.
That's correct.
Are you traveling to London for business or vacation?
I'm going for vacation.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes, I'm visiting my family there.
That's nice. How long will you stay?
About 2 weeks.
Excellent. Do you have any hand luggage?
Yes, just this small bag.
Perfect. Please keep your passport and boarding pass with you at all times.
Okay, I will.
Do you have a visa for the United Kingdom?
Yes, I do. It's inside my passport.
Perfect, thank you. Everything looks good.
That's great to hear.
You can go to security check after this.
All right.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you very much.
Vocabulary. May I see? Polite question to look at something. Here you are. Polite way to give something. Vacation, travel for fun. Hand luggage, small bag for the cabin. Visa, document to enter a country. Security check, area where safety checks happen. Part 3, flight information.
Agent. Good morning. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to London.
Great. Let me check your flight details. What's your flight number?
It's BA203.
Perfect. The flight is on schedule. Departure is at 10 a.m.
That's good. Is it a direct flight?
Yes, it's a direct flight.
How long is the flight?
Around 7 hours.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, one big suitcase.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Okay.
It's 18 kilograms. That's fine. The limit is 23 kilograms.
Perfect.
Do you want to keep any bag with you in the cabin?
Yes, I'll keep my backpack.
That's okay. Please take your valuables with you.
Sure, thank you.
Your flight gate will open at 9:15.
Thank you.
Please listen to announcements for boarding.
I will.
Vocabulary. Direct flight, no stopovers. Schedule, plan time. Departure, flight leaving time. Arrive when you reach your destination. Suitcase, large travel bag. Cabin, passenger area inside airplane. Valuables, important personal items. Part 4, luggage check.
Good morning. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, one big bag and one small backpack.
Okay. Please place your big bag on the belt.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Let's check the weight. It's 21 kilograms. That's fine.
Great.
Would you like this bag to go straight to London?
Yes, please.
Perfect. It will go directly to your final destination.
And may I take my backpack on the plane?
Yes, you can take one small bag as carry-on luggage.
What items are not allowed inside the bag?
Please don't carry liquids over 100 milliliters, knives, or sharp objects.
Okay, I understand.
Also, keep your electronics, passport, and money with you.
All right, I'll do that.
Here's your baggage tag. It shows your destination and bag number.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please make sure you collect your bag in London after you land.
I will.
Vocabulary. Check-in bag. Bag you give to the airline. Carry-on, bag you take with you on the plane. Belt/conveyor, moving surface for luggage. Baggage tag, label that identifies your bag. Destination, place where you are going. Liquids over 100 milliliters, not allowed in hand luggage. Collect, to pick up your bag after the flight. Part 5, weighing the bag.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Sure.
All right. It weighs 25 kilograms.
Oh, is that too heavy?
The limit is 23 kilograms, so you have 2 kilograms extra.
Oh, I see. What should I do?
You can remove some items or pay for extra weight.
How much is the extra charge?
It's $10 per kilogram. 2 kilograms will be $20.
Okay, I'll pay for it.
Great. Please go to the payment counter over there. After paying, come back to me.
I've paid the extra fee.
Perfect. Here's your receipt. Let's check your bag again. Good. It's cleared for check-in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your baggage tag. Please keep it safe.
Okay, I'll keep it in my passport holder.
Excellent idea. Have you checked your hand luggage weight?
No, not yet.
Please put it here. 6 kilograms. That's fine. The limit is 7 kilograms.
Great, everything is ready now.
Yes, you're all set.
Vocabulary. Scale, machine that measures weight. Kilogram, kilogram, a unit for measuring weight. Limit, the maximum allowed. Extra charge/fee, money you pay for more weight. Receipt, proof of payment. Baggage tag, small label for your checked bag. Hand luggage, bag you carry on the plane. Part 6, boarding pass.
Now I will print your boarding pass.
Okay, thank you.
Please confirm your seat preference. Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please?
Sure. Seat 14A, window side.
That's perfect.
Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you. What information is on it?
It shows your name, flight number, seat number, departure time, and gate number.
I see. The flight is BA203, seat 14A, gate 12.
Correct. Boarding time is 9:30 a.m., and departure is 10 a.m.
Great.
Please keep your boarding pass and passport together. You will need them for security and boarding.
I'll keep them in my travel wallet.
Good idea. Don't lose them.
What should I do after this?
After check-in, go to security screening. Then proceed to gate 12.
All right.
Please arrive at the gate at least 30 minutes before departure.
Okay, I'll be there early.
Excellent. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you for your help.
Vocabulary. Boarding pass, ticket that allows you to enter the plane. Seat number, your place on the plane. Gate number, area where passengers wait to board. Departure time, when the plane leaves. Security screening, safety check before boarding. Travel wallet, small bag for documents. Part 7, flight time.
Good morning. May I check your flight time, please?
Yes, I'm flying to London.
Okay. Your flight number is BA203. Departure time is 10 a.m.
What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 9:30 a.m.
How long will the flight take?
It will take about 7 hours. You will arrive in London at 5 p.m. local time.
So there's a time difference?
Yes. London is 2 hours behind our time.
Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome. Please arrive at the gate 30 minutes before boarding time.
I will. Is the flight on schedule?
Yes, it's on time, no delays.
That's great news.
Please listen for any announcements in case of changes.
Sure, I'll pay attention.
Do you want me to write your boarding and departure times on your boarding pass?
Yes, please. That will help me remember.
All done. Boarding at 9:30, departure at 10 o'clock.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Vocabulary. Departure time, when the plane leaves. Boarding time, when passengers start entering the plane. On schedule/on time, no delay. Delay, when something is late. Local time, the time in the country you are flying to. Time difference, difference between two time zones. Announcement, public message you hear in the airport. Part 8, gate information.
Hello again. Do you have your boarding pass with you?
Yes, right here.
Perfect. Let's check your gate information. You are boarding at Gate 12.
Where is gate 12?
After the security check, turn left and walk straight. You will see signs for Gate 12.
Okay, how long does it take to get there?
Around 10 minutes on foot.
All right. What time should I be at the gate?
Please arrive by 9:30. Boarding will begin then.
Got it. Will someone make an announcement?
Yes. You will hear, Flight BA203 to London is now boarding at Gate 12.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Also, please have your passport and boarding pass ready when boarding starts.
I will. Is there any place to sit near the gate?
Yes, there are chairs and a waiting area. You can also find restrooms and a cafe nearby.
That's nice. Can I charge my phone there?
Yes, there are charging points near the seats.
Excellent. I'll go to gate 12 after security.
Good. Make sure to check the screen for any gate changes.
I will. Thank you for your help.
Have a wonderful flight.
Vocabulary. Gate, area where passengers board the plane. Security check, area for safety screening. Boarding, getting on the airplane. Announcement, airport message about flights. Waiting area, place to sit before the flight. Restroom, public bathroom. Charging point, place to charge your phone or laptop. Part 9, security reminder.
All right, Mr. Ali, you're almost done. The next step is the security check.
Okay, what do I need to do there?
At security, you must show your boarding pass and passport.
All right.
Please remove your jacket, belt, and anything made of metal.
Even my watch?
Yes, please. Put your watch, phone, and wallet in a small tray.
Okay, do I take off my shoes too?
If the officer asks you to, yes. Sometimes shoes need to go through the scanner.
What about my laptop?
Take it out of your bag and put it in a separate tray.
And liquids?
Liquids must be in small bottles, 100 milliliters or less, and placed in a clear plastic bag.
Got it. No big bottles or sharp items, right?
Exactly. No knives, scissors, or lighters are allowed.
Okay, I'll check my bag again before going through.
That's smart. After the check, you can collect your things and go to Gate 12.
Perfect. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Have your documents ready and follow the signs to security.
Will it take long?
It depends on how busy it is, but usually only 10 minutes.
Okay, that's fine.
Vocabulary. Security check, safety inspection before the flight. Tray, small plastic box for your things. Scanner, machine that checks bags and items. Liquids, drinks or creams. Milliliter, milliliter, unit for measuring liquids. Sharp items, things like knives or scissors. Collect, take your things back. Part 10, goodbye.
Well done, Mr. Ali. You're all checked in and ready for your flight.
Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Your gate is 12, boarding at 9:30, flight BA203 to London.
Yes, I remember. I'll go to security now.
Excellent. Don't forget your passport and boarding pass.
They're right here with me.
Great. Have a safe and pleasant flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
The passenger has finished the security check. He walks to the gate area for his flight. It's almost time to board. The gate agent checks passengers' documents before they get on the plane.
Good morning. May I see your passport and boarding pass?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks.
Now the passenger is on the airplane. A flight attendant welcomes him and helps him find his seat. It's almost time for takeoff.
Welcome aboard. Please find your seat.
Thank you.
Would you like any help with your bag?
No, thank you. I can do it.
Great. Please fasten your seatbelt. We'll take off soon.
Okay.
Vocabulary. Check-in. Process of getting your ticket and boarding pass. Boarding, getting on the airplane. Passport, travel identification document. Seatbelt, safety strap you wear during takeoff. Takeoff, when the airplane leaves the ground. Pleasant flight, a comfortable and enjoyable trip. Great job, you've completed the full airport English conversation, all 10 parts. Now you can greet the airport staff, check in your luggage, and find your gate with confidence. Remember to practice these phrases every day and don't forget to smile when you speak. English sounds better with confidence. If you like this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Fast for more easy English lessons. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next class. Have a nice flight, and goodbye for now.